Brooklyn. Look at that pretty little outfit. Look at that pretty little outfit. Baby girls. Hi. What you doing? See, you were just cracking up. And now I turn the video camera and you're not. Oh, bless you. Oh, bless you. Hello. Oh my goodness. I see you laughing. Oh. What? Brooklyn Monroe. Hi. Hello. Hello. What you doing, Angel? Oh. Say hi. Trying so hard to talk. Trying so hard. What you saying? Oh, what they yawn. Brooklyn. Brooklyn. Hi. How are you? What? Hey, hello. Yeah. What are you saying? Tell me all about it. Tell me all about it. Brooklyn.
She talks a lot when you lay her on that thing.
Brooklyn. Say hello. Baby girl. Baby girl. Oh, what? Say hi, everybody. Hi. Oh. Oh. Say hello. Say hello. What? What are you doing? Say hello. Yeah. Say hello. Are you talking? You gonna say hi to everybody? Say hello, world. Say hello, world. Are you laughing? Are you laughing? I'm gonna tickle you. Are you laughing? I'm laughing. Oh, what? There's my baby girl. There she is. Hi, beautiful. Hello, Brooklyn. Gonna try your fingers? Gonna try your fingers? Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. She was trying so hard yesterday to suck her thumb. She just couldn't get it. Oh, oh. Hi. Look how big you are. Look how big you are. It's November 8th. Brooklyn's gonna be 7 weeks tomorrow. Brooklyn. What are you saying? Hello. You can talk? You make some crazy noises. Ooh, what's that face? Say hello. Oh my goodness. Look at those cheeks. What? What? Tell me. Say hello. Say hello. Oh. Hi. You can talk to everybody? Hello, Buttercup. Hi. Are you talking? Are you going to tell us a story? Huh? Let's hear that story. What are you going to say? Hi. What? What are you going to tell us? Tell us a story.
So hard.
Tell us a story. I see those lips. You want to talk. What do you want to say? Hmm? Cutie pie. Hey. You're so cute. I hear you. Oh, bless you. Oh, bless you. Oh my goodness, you're just cracking up. I can't wait till there's a noise with that laugh. I can't wait. Oh. Oh. I don't know who you look like today. I can't decide. I can't decide. Do you want to look like Mommy? Or do you want to look like Daddy? Huh? What? Oh, say I want to look like Brooklyn. That's what I want to look like. Right? Oh. Oh, go ahead. Go ahead. Give me some noises. Hello. Oh, I can't even take it. You're so cute. I can't even take it. Okay, so we're gonna go play with our new toy. You wanna say bye-bye to everybody? Wanna say bye-bye? I don't want to turn it off. You're being so cute. Baby girl. Hi, beautiful. There's only 8 days till Daddy comes home. wanna eat these till your daddy's here. Oh, you like that, huh? Okay. You say bye-bye to everybody. Give kisses. Say, mwah. Say, mwah.